Welcome to a new video series about wine cocktails. So I'm gonna tell you how to make drinks based on wine, and today we're gonna start with a mimosa. So when I think mimosas, I think brunch, bottomless mimosas, and the mimosa is really easy to make. All you need is orange juice, sparkling wine. Any kind of sparkling wine would do. It doesn't have to be champagne. It doesn't have to be Prosecco. The mimosa, apparently it started back in the 1920s, something about a bartender in Paris. But all you're gonna do is get your glass. You're gonna fill in your orange juice. I'm using fresh squeezed orange juice. Why not if you have it? And then you're gonna top it off with your sparkling wine. I'm using Prosecco. That's all you gotta do. And there you go. You got your nice mimosa. You're ready for brunch time. It's a good breakfast drink. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for now, cheers.